Do you want to make money wholesaling real estate in the next 30 days without wasting more money and doing it all by yourself? Have you watched video after video? Even read a book or two on wholesaling? Purchased a course? And you still haven't made any money? Are you tired of being told that you have to work? That you have to struggle to make it? That you have to do things like max out your credit cards? Buy course after course? Move in with your parents? Eat only crackers so that you can save money? Give up all your free time? And stop hanging out with your friends all to make money? The fact is, you don't have to do any of that if you have the right mentor that actually coaches you. This mentor should have been down the path over and over again of success. The right mentor and the right opportunity together makes making money an easy thing. What if you could get $1 million in value back for $20? You would definitely do that, right? Failure doesn't breed success. Only success can create more success. Becoming successful is about making one easy decision after another. The first of these easy decisions is for you to book an actual one-on-one meeting with a proven multi-millionaire businessman that has been down the path of success again and again. There's a small investment of $20 to secure a time slot on this millionaire's calendar. This is not for you if you're bored and are just looking to waste time. That's why you have to put up $20 and show up to the meeting. This is only for you if you're serious about your future and making it a success. I mean, really, achieving your goals. It is a fact in life that when you invest money into something, that you're going to do it. Doing something now will change your life forever. Click the link and book a time now. You're probably wondering, who is this businessman? It is Carlisle Sadler. He runs a private equity firm that owns many different million-dollar businesses that have over 300 employees. But none of it started out that way. He's originally from rural Alabama and had zero connections or anyone to turn to. A lot like you. Go ahead, click the link and book a time now. Carlisle started with nothing at 23 in Alabama, and within 8 months, built $1 million real estate business with 22 employees. Since then, he's gone on to make apps, flipped a 344-unit apartment complex, run an investment fund, even purchased Bitcoin way back in 2015 when it wasn't cool. Make the best decision that you have ever made by clicking the link to book a time now. More importantly, Carlisle has been directly responsible for creating millionaire after millionaire. He even took a 19-year-old that was working at Costco. And in less than a year of working with Carlisle in one of his companies, the 19-year-old had made $200,000. Now the guy is 22 years old and a millionaire in his own right. This is the opportunity that you have been wanting and waiting your whole life for. Book a meeting now by clicking the link. Carlisle even took a personal trainer with absolutely zero business experience. Gave the guy an opportunity. And in 34 days, the trainer made $30,000. What all this means is that Carlisle can help you make the money that you would like. And for less than your Apple Music subscription, you can have a one-on-one meeting with him. Click the link now. Look at these messages from all of the people Carlisle has made millionaires.